Hey everyone, welcome back. Adrian with Harley-Davidson of Fargo, and here to talk about Full Throttle Friday. It's coming up again, once again, Friday night, 6 to 9. We have Full Throttle Friday here at Harley-Davidson of Fargo. Quick 56 out on the stage, little Lulu's on the plaza serving some food, and Harley-Davidson of Fargo will have some ice-cold beverages inside. Special guest this week is going to be Big Joe from Snap Fabrications out of Sturgis, South Dakota. He will be here with the Softail Super Glide, the boat tail. We will have that on display here along with the 1971. So coming out and check that out. Big Joe will be here, answer any questions, kind of run through the process and some of the things that challenges that he had during this build. Hog will be out here. Our Hog chapter will be out here at the table. We will have a beverage for you once you check in, and you get 25 points for stopping in. So also we're going to have the loud bike contest, and we're giving away the last 3 swag bags that we have for the Rolling Sturgis giveaway. So stop on out here and see us Friday night from 6 to 9. Special guest is Big Joe from Snap Fabrications, and come out and check us out. He will also be on air with Jay Thomas from 2 to 4, between 2 and 4 on Friday as well. So make sure you check out Jay's show as well. And again, a lot of things going on here at Harley-Davidson of Fargo. Loud bike contest. Come on out here. Let's wrap those pipes and see who can get the loudest decibels. What are we giving away for that this week?
Hooligans gift card.
Hooligans, $50 Hooligans gift card. So you can go out there and have some dinner and some drinks. All for coming out here, wrapping your throttle a little bit, and seeing who's got the loudest bike. So Friday night, 6 to 9, Harley-Davidson of Fargo. Can't wait to see you there.